Welcome to my channel. Today I shortly explain about calendar date in Power BI. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Let's begin. So Dax and Power BI has many functions that use calendar date, like year over year, year to date, month to date, cumulative sum. And if you want to use those functions, you need a calendar table, because without that table those functions will not work properly. Then it's always very useful to have calendar table, because all your reports will be consistent with all dates, and also you will be able to filter very easily each month and year, etc. To create a calendar table, I have a video. If you want, you can watch it, but quickly I can show you. For example, you need to use the calendar function and then the add columns function. This function create only one column in the table. If you want to add other columns like year, months, quarter, month's name, etc., you need to use this add columns. This function in first receive a table, then receive the name for the column, and then expression for that column. This date column is coming from this table. So calendar function will create a table with one column called date. And then you can use that column in your expressions. Then you need to mark a table as date table. Then save. Then you also need to create a relationship between your date table, this calendar table, and your other table. Generally is a dimension, so the fact table, sorry. Generally is a fact table. So you need to search for date, order date, and date. You choose drag and drop, and it will create a relationship. Now you can use all the Power BI function with time intelligence function, and it will work properly. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and comment. Hopefully this video was useful for someone. Thank you for watching.